Okay, Nena. It's raining. In case you didn't know, but anyway. So this isn't a video about our infrastructure. So don't mind the water, babe. But yeah, like so like it's been raining like crazy and I need to go buy bread. And everyone at home is sleeping. I mean, for obvious reasons. Yeah, so you already know that I'm gonna go buy bread because we just texted. So let's see like how it'll look like. In the last video, Frank said that he didn't see any mopeds, so like bromfits. There you go, Frank. There's your moped right there. Anyway, so yeah, so like I'm used to walking that way, but let's walk this way. Why not? Why not? Let's again, not a video about our infrastructure, so don't mind all the water. Okay. Now I'm gonna. Oh yeah, like this. So Kirpalanis and Lucky Store are like the two last like popular stores in the city that close up. So there you go, Kirpalanis. And Kirpalanis goes all the way to the other side of the block, so you're gonna see that again. Okay, I don't know what is up with the sounds being like 10 times louder. Oh, and it's a Friday. Okay, but you already know that, but yeah, so like most stores, they close at 7. But due to obvious reasons like the rain, I think they close up a lot sooner because I remember Tianyu, our what's it called again? Bubble tea bar. They would like open until 7 if I'm correct. But yeah, they're closed like just like any other place. But let's see. Are we gonna cross the road? Are we? Aren't we? Are we? Aren't we? Why not? Why not? Also, I'm talking way too much. I'm talking more than I planned to. Go on, dude. Okay. This is some quality footage of the rain. Pure South American rain, baby. Okay, and obviously this is Times Mall. Like, I think the only mall here that doesn't close at the time of any other mall. They close up way sooner. Oh, and Nina. Like, this is what I was talking about. Like, so like when the sun rises, it rises from the east. I mean, obviously, so from there, and then it just like sets in the west. And I was here like the stores close around 4 and 4:30, and I was here around like 3:45. And there are so many people like just chilling here, and there's a guy like selling snacks there, place washed, and it just looks so chill, even though I just live like right around the block. But yeah, like we should definitely do that. So like this is Kirapalanis, just like I promised, on the other side of the block. Now we're at Dominee-straat, by the way, and we started at Zwartenhovenbrugstraat. Back in the day, it would be a lot more crowded here. You had a bar just what was that about? Some friendly communication going on there. Yeah, so like back in the day when Times Mall, so here, was called Gersten, you would have that Krasnopolski, so there would still be open for business, which they aren't anymore. Thank you, COVID. And yeah, and Popeyes, like Popeyes that you see right there, would be up there. And you would have like it would just be like really different. You'd have a bar. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Wait, but these things I was gonna show you in real life. Okay, you know what? Like, why not? So, Steenbakkerijstraat. Oh, I think I should wipe my lens. Okay, let's. Is it? Should I? Should I not? Let me like wipe it real quick. Yeah, it's still the same. Not sure what's happening there, but let me just... Okay, so... Oh, it's a garbage truck. Looks like a Christmas tree on wheels. But back in the day when Popeyes, that you see right there, would used to be up there, and it would just be like a lot more lively, like especially like because this whole building right here would just be lit up, making like this whole place here be lit up as well. And well, this is Anthony's Corner, which if you've never been here before, you've probably never heard of Anthony's Corner. But well, here we have Boombox, which like they sell like a handful of stuff. And here you'd have that bar, and it would like they'd have like a patio up until like here. Like it would be so chill. And I just realized I sound really old, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm really curious what's gonna come here, because like it says Radisson or Radisson coming soon. Like what is that? Like is it like a Chuck E. Cheese? What is that? Oh, like, and when it was Dwight's wedding, it would be in, let's see, 1, 2, 4, 6, right there, the one in the middle, like, no, yeah, the one where you see like the light right next to that one. Wait, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. So like Dwight and I, we were like right there, right there. That was his apartment when it was his wedding. That was like the coolest wide angle shot I ever got on my old Sony Xperia. Yeah, that was my first Android phone. All-Star, which they say all big names, but I remember it for having Game Zone. Like, let's see. Oh, it's still raining. Okay, I'm gonna come here. So, Game Zone is where all the cool kids came. but like right there, like that small door right there. Like it's stairs that goes up, obviously like up to, well, everything up there, and that was our gaming, like what do you call it? A gaming center, gaming arcade. That was our arcade. I don't know. Yeah, I just realized I never really asked why they went out of business or why they stopped. That was the first place that I ever played arcade games on, like with the what do you call those? I think they're just called game arcades. Arcade cabinets, there you go. Vice, which I still don't understand how a Chinese person like came up with that name. That doesn't sound Chinese, but yeah, like that's I think one of the first places that Jonathan worked summer vacation job at. There's Doyo. Are they even open? They are. Okay, to the uninformed, Doyo is just a clothing store where you buy shirts for like 8 times more. I mean, okay, well, they're original clothing, so whatever. I mean, like, there's Keiserstraat. You wanna go make a round there? I mean, why not? Okay, so we came from there. So we're gonna make a round there, and then wait, no. Why not? Let's go. Okay. Now we're in Jodenbreestraat, which is the first, which has the first mall that I've ever seen that had a bottle with, I don't know, whiskey? I don't know what it was, but it had a snake inside. So those Chinese people really were up to something. And of course our community lake. Don't take me seriously. Anyway, okay, let's see. So much rain. There's not really much here to see. I just want to show you the mosque and the, what's that other thing called again? Temple? Is it temple? I don't know, I'm yammering too much. Synagogue. Synagogue. There we go. Nena, these 3 weeks just can't go by like any slower. Because I can't wait to have you here. And then we'll get chicken popcorn. Because KFC is like just like a 5-minute walk away from here. I mean, so is anything else. Okay, so there's the mosque. And there's the synagogue. Yeah, I just realized I never went inside. We should try that someday. Are they open? I don't know what's happening there, but I don't want to find out. Okay, so mosque. Okay. So like, we're gonna be coming here. We're gonna be coming back here later. Are we? Why not? Like later in the video. But for now, we're gonna. Let's just take a walk here. Let's go see like what's happening at McDonald's. Okay, that's a lot of wind. Nena. Remember when in the video of December 31st where I got that drink, I went inside Alegria. Well, this is Alegria. This is Alegria right here. Wait, this restaurant is open? Personal transformation. Kaizen. Kaizen? Why does it sound like some sort of Pacific Rim like robot? Yo, let's see like how it looks like inside. Oh, it's not that busy. It's so cold. Again, Alegria. I don't know why they changed up inside. Like, it was good as it was. It was good, like I swear, it was so good. Like they had like arcades, arcade cabinets. They had foosball. Babe, they had foosball. Foosball was so good. Ugh. And of course, McDonald's. Yo, my footage looks so bad. Is it my phone? Okay, so we're gonna walk around, but ooh, you can even smell it. Like you can smell the chicken, and it smells good. FYI. Also, like, this is obviously gonna go on, that's a lot of wind. This is obviously gonna go on YouTube, so to my my viewers from Holland. Question. So, Nena said, wait, there's a lot of wind. Let me like wait for the wind to pass. Okay, so it's a little less windy. Okay. So to my peeps from Holland. What's up, Frank? But to people from Holland, I have a question. So here at McDonald's, we have apple pies. We have what other pies? We have wraps, I think, unless that's KFC. We have burgers, obviously. We've got fried chicken. What else do we have? We have milkshakes. We have sundaes. My point is just like, do you guys have all of those things? Because Nena said that that in her state in America, they don't have fried chicken. What fast food restaurant doesn't have fried chicken? Like, what the hell? That's absurd. So like, my question to you guys is, out of all the things that I just named, like, what do you guys don't have? I'm curious. I'm legit curious. Hey, I didn't upload that video, did I? No, I didn't. Nena, that was for you. I forgot to send it to you, but like during the World Cup, like the last World Cup, like there were people standing here, like there were just like so many people standing here, and like there were just cars parked just like on the road, people just like in the parking lot there, and they were all just like watching the World Cup games on that screen. This is our local like sports betting called Suribet. And yeah, like especially on Sunday when the last match was being held, like this whole place was just like full of people. And all the who was in the World Cup again? Who were the last people? Oh come on, you're kidding me, right? I have to walk in this? Dude. Well, that's Lucky Store right there. Yo, that wasn't lightning, right? Okay, let's see. You. Ooh, the water's really cold. Yeah, so like the last like match of the World Cup, it was Argentina versus France, right? And then all the Argentinian fans, no, all the French fans suddenly turned into Argentinian fans. Okay, that's stupid commentary. Anyway, that's where we came from. Now we're still in now we're again in Domine Strat. Oh look, there's Doyo. So like we came from there. Hey, we should check out like how it looks like at Waterkant. Hey, why not? Yeah, let's go see like how it is there. Let's go to Wakapasi. Let's go see like how it looks like there. Okay, so like you just saw that bright like store, right, where the woman was like, I think closing up. That's one side, and then this is the other side of Lucky Store. They had just opened that part. Picobello, which I'm curious if it's that much of a popular name for people who come here. Most people only know Kirpalani and Lucky Store. Okay, I forgot. So like now we're in Joden Breestraat. And of course, that's another Kirpalani. Because one in the same area isn't enough, so that's innovation for you. Business. Okay. So Waterkan, Pakapasi, how are we gonna go there? Let me think. Let me think. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. I know. So like on December 31st, remember there was like a band of like kids playing? That's where they were right there. Let's go that way. So now we're walking on Mahdenstraat, which, fun fact, means Virgin Street. So take that as you like, however you want to take that as. Wind. Ooh, it's already 30 minutes. Okay, Nena, I told you I'd be back home in an hour, right? I got like half an hour left. Let's walk past Burger King. Let's go see how the vibe is at Church Square. Hey, you remember Church Square, right, Nena? That's where I recorded that one video of that choir, or like that Christmas service. And of course, Digicel. I remember I remember the day when Digicel like came to my country, and immediately like the SIM card prices of these people right here, Telesur, they dropped like their SIM card prices. That that was like the biggest scam ever. Like a SIM card costed back then, it costed 95 SRD. 95 SRD, like you'd have to be like a drugs dealer or a pimp. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but yeah, like that was a lot of money back then. 95 SRD for a SIM card. And then Digicel came, and then just like the prices just dropped as if they were as if it's like the best deal that they could just like have, when that just meant that all that time like we just needed a competitor. Okay, now I'm just ranting. But Telesur. It looks so weird, like it being empty, because it's always busy. It always has like a lot of people. Well, this is Spanhook. Wind. Okay, we're almost there at Church Square. Yeah, that rhymes. Yo, I forgot. Okay. That's where we were. Digicel, remember Digicel? That's where it is. Or well, where it was. Let's see where we can cross the road. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Church Square. That's the street where McDonald's is. Okay, Sustrat. Okay, so I actually expected it to be a lot more crowded here. There's like not even a single car in the drive-thru. Are they even open? Okay, so those yellow lights right there, or orange lights, that's Burger King. And I'm trying really hard to hold on to the umbrella. Oh, they're closed. They are. That's. But it's a Friday. What gives? Try here. Nena, it's so chill here at Waterkan. So I figured with a handful of storage that I still have left, I might as well show you Waterkan.